In the fall, my local grocery store, Harmon's, has hatch chiles that they roast in these big roasters, and I like to buy a bunch and put them in my freezer, and I use it for things like enchiladas and all kinds of Mexican dishes, and also the soup. This is a pork and hatch chile soup that is really hearty, delicious. It has potatoes, and it's a really nice recipe for busy weeknights, and it's also perfect for a cold evening. So let's get started. Here are your ingredients: 2.5 pounds of boneless pork shoulder or country style ribs. That's a little over 1 kilo. Cut into 1-inch cubes, and I like to trim as much fat of it as possible. 4 cups of cubed potatoes. I like to use Yukon Gold potatoes, and they're about 1.25 to 1.5 inches cubed. 5 cups of low sodium chicken broth. 3 roasted chiles. I like to use hatch chiles. 2 cups of chopped onions. 2 tablespoons of Mexican oregano. And if you can't find Mexican oregano, you can use regular oregano. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Half cup of chopped cilantro to garnish. 3 bay leaves. I use small bay leaves. If you have large ones, you can use 2 large ones. 2 teaspoons of salt or to taste, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or more as needed for searing the meat. And not pictured in this photograph is 2 tablespoons of softened butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and this is going to be used to thicken the stew. I buy the chiles pre-roasted, but you can roast your own chiles on your open flame of your gas stove, or you can do it in the oven. Once you do that, keep it in a paper bag, which will allow the skin to be removed more easily. Now, once you remove all the skin, you're going to chop up the chiles into small pieces. Select the Sauté function and preheat the Instant Pot. Once the Instant Pot is hot, add the oil and let it heat up. And once the oil is hot, add the onions and garlic and saute till the onions are translucent, and this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the pork, the salt and pepper, and stir to coat the meat with the spices. Saute until the pork is lightly browned, about 5 minutes. If there's something stuck to the bottom, deglaze with a couple of tablespoons of broth to remove all the brown bits. Now add the broth, the Mexican oregano, the chiles, and the bay leaves. Give it a quick stir and close the lid, and now we're ready to pressure cook. Pressure cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is done, you can either do a full natural release, or you can wait for 15 or 20 minutes and release any remaining pressure. This is called a 15 or 20-minute natural release. And you can watch my video on how to do that. Now stir everything up and add the potatoes. Stir the potatoes so they're submerged, and close the lid and program the Instant Pot to pressure cook for 4 minutes on high pressure. When the pressure cooking is done, we're going to release all the pressure by doing a quick release. Open the lid, and the potatoes should be cooked. If they're not, you can heat it a little bit on saute mode until they're cooked to your liking. If you want the stew to be a little thicker, you can mix flour and butter equal parts together to make a thick paste and add it to the stew and cook it in saute mode so the raw taste of the flour goes away. I like the consistency the way it is, so I don't do that. Garnish the soup with cilantro and serve with crusty French bread. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can use any kind of chiles. You don't have to use hatch chiles. You can also use canned chiles. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll see you next time.